traffic. I hate being stuck in traffic. Oh good, a train. Yay. I want to go find some place to fly where there is nobody around. Some place where nobody ever goes. Some place where nothing happens ever. Some place we can finally be alone. The state capitol building, that's right, people. Yeah, why not? I mean, yeah, what were you expecting? Oh shit, the cops are here.
I'm gonna need to see your ID.
Hold on, I got my 107 here somewhere.
Do you? Okay.
Yeah, somewhere, maybe. Well, I gotta tell you, it's been a hell of a day. Ken's freaking out over the smallest shit, just over and over again. Poor Ken. Anyway, it's been a fun video. Lots of people. Look, a hot yoga class is broken out while we're trying to film. Like 14 trains have gone through and blown their horn every single time. Come to Nashville. It'll be great.